Hi there, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Hoping you're having a good math day. Thank you for watching this clip on evaluating an integral here. This is a typical integration by parts. And integration by parts, the bigger part is always deciding which part is u, which part is dv. When you have a simple term like x times something else, especially something else is e to the something power, it's a crying out to say that u is equal to the simpler form, which is x. So du equal to dx. And then my dv left over is dx e to the minus 3x. Okay, so integration for this part is relatively easy because with the form of e to the minus 3x or e to the anything here, it's relatively easy. So we have minus 1/3 e to the minus 3x. Let's double check. dv here, this one comes down and cancels out. So coefficient should be equal to 1, which is what we have here. The next thing over, we're going to use integration by parts. It says first part is uv, which is, let's multiply those two, minus 1/3 e to the minus 3x times x minus v du, so v du is here, minus, let's do the plus because I have a minus there, e to the minus 3x, and I have a dx. This is one of the simpler ones. So I have minus 1/3 e to the minus 3x, x plus 1/3. And over here I have e to the minus 3x coming back again, times minus 1/3. So this one, let's double check. Minus 3, when you take derivative, minus 3 comes down here, cancels this. So you have this form back. So far so good. Let's just simplify. Over here I have a minus, let's take this whole thing out. So why not the tongue is tight. Minus 1/9 e to the minus 3x. Okay. First thing I have out here, then it's 3x. And then here I have simply 1. And this looks pretty easy so far. Now let's evaluate this one. So this one is equal to dx x e to the minus 3x. Okay, now evaluate that x goes from 1 to infinity. So minus 1/3, 1/9 e to the minus 3x, 3x plus 1, evaluated from 1 to infinity. Okay. So the first term, infinity, this chunk goes to 0, but since we have a 3x here, so technically we should make sure 1/9. Actually, this is just e to the 3x here, times 1/9. This is evaluated x to infinity. It's plus 1. Minus 1. 1 is pretty easy. So minus 1/9 e to the minus 3x is this chunk. And then 3 plus 1, that's a 4. Okay. With this one, you can see the bottom term dominates. So this chunk goes to 0. Minus minus will have a plus. So I have a 4/9 e to the, oh, this is 1. E to the minus 3. Let's make sure. So minus 3, this is a 4. Infinity, this chunk goes to 0. Okay, this is my final answer.